Hey, what's up guys? I hope you are well, and today token is Koopa token. And why making this video? Because Koopa token is amazing token, and Koopa token has different tokenomics and roadmap from other token. Koopa token supply is 10 billion, and Koopa has organized public sale in 4 phases. And Koopa token is decentralized finance token. Koopa token will reduce supply on every transaction. Koopa token has its own marketplace. Koopa token is unruggable, and Koopa create whale free community, and we can participate on esport gaming on Koopa. And Koopa token building a community driven gaming network powered by a crypto with massive earning potential and genuine utility. And we can join Koopa token on Telegram and Twitter. And Koopa token have more than 26k follower on Twitter. And Koopa token featured on Market Insider, Yahoo Finance, Benzinga and AP. Koopa tokens fans are known as troopers. And what Koopa do? Koopa token is utility oriented coin for the 200 billion gaming industry, and Koopa used multi-purpose DeFi backbone to increase long-term holding. And Koopa token has its own NFT marketplace for gaming content, both video or images, and in-game integration for game owner to sell goods, and incentivize for game owner to only use Koopa. And Koopa token will reduce supply on every transaction. And why we love Koopa? Koopa profitable for both gamer and developers. Non-gamer can take profit from Koopa. Koopa is decentralized and incentivized crowdfunding platform. Koopa is unique and cost-effective NFT integration to capture in game moments. Koopa token gives discount in tournament ticket. Koopa is every indie developer's dream. Koopa will create whale-free community and no pump and dump sold project with several use cases beyond the price speculation. And Koopa have unique burn mechanism. And we will click on tokenomics. 20% second offering, 20% token generation event, and 10% founders allocation, 10% for development funds, 10% for marketing and acquisition, 10% initial index offering, and 10% community offering, and 10% for private pre-sale. And we will open light paper for detailed tokenomics. And this is light paper proposed tokenomics. Total supply is 10 billion tokens, and founder allocation 10% or 1 billion tokens, and for development funds 10% 1 billion token, and for marketing and acquisition 10% 1 billion token, and community offering and growth grants, offering reward program, airdrops, community service, rewards for token holder, rewards for educational programs, private or pre-sale. 10% of the tokens or 1 billion token will be sold to initial investor. The goal will be to raise $100k initially for token launch, and these token will be priced at 0.001 USDT per KOO, and $1k equal to 10 million Koopa token. And we can read light paper for detailed information like about tokenomics, token features, roadmap, and other information. Unruggable. Koopa token is unruggable token. We have built Koopa coin for investor, not the founders. Smart contract ensure a founder can never sell more than 5% of their total tokens at a time. And decentralized. Koopa token is decentralized finance token. And whale sock safety. No wallet holds more than 1% of token supply, and no transaction can involve more than 100 million tokens. And Koopa network team. Coupa team one of the major reason to give more than 1000x return in future, because Coupa team is a stable team and Coupa team member are most talented and hard worker. First team member is Sumit Chitroda, CTO, Chief Technical Officer. Sumit Chitroda is computer scientist with expertise in system development, fintech and analytics, currently reaching deep learning and its application. Sumit is an avid gamer, crypto investor and developer with experience in building decentralized quantitative trading algorithm and blockchain application. Second member is Rupak Girkar, creative director. Rupak Girkar is a visualizer and graphic designer, and Rupak turns idea into concept and concept into reality. Major as an IT engineer, he found his coding as a visual designer and communicating with his playful design language and stellar visuals. And third member is Hayden Snap, CEO, Chief Technical Officer. Hayden Snap is founder of SSG Management, a blockchain business incubator and investment firm focused on DeFi, NFTs and protocol. A seasoned angel investor and venture partners, Hayden has over 10 years of experience building business in a variety of industries. And Joseph Rubin, COO. Joseph Rubin is former research scientist with a degree in a mechanical engineer. Joseph is a seasoned executive with 5+ year experience working in the crypto space. And Raj Shah, head of social. Raj Shah is a head of social at Coupa. Raj Shah responsibility including content and communication planning, execution and metric reporting. And Pranav Khavenekar, CSO, Chief Secretary Officer. Pranav Khavenekar is as a Chief Secretary Officer. Pranav is a responsible for all aspects of the company information system and service as well as system wide security. And partners of Coupa Network, SSG, blockchain specialist and Ethereum, Matic, Polygon and Trazen. And roadmap, we can check roadmap in detail on Lightpaper. We will open Lightpaper. Roadmap, website and social launch, brand community building, airdrop, whitelisting beginning for 10 days, private sale 10% of token, token creation, build token generation event portal, token generation event launch, minting tokens, initial distribution, founders marketing, DEV, private sale, initial airdrop and token generation event. Next is prepare for initial DEX offering with 10% of supply and complete IDO Sushi swap. Partnership announcement, coin Gigo listing, coin market cap listing, shipping smart contract audited by Ether audit, and second offering or NFO reserve 20% token added to the various exchange, implementing the developing governance on the network, hosting event and tournaments. And we can register for airdrops. First, complete whitelist form, token generation event, and third is receive token. And we will open phase 1 of Coupa public sale. Click here. I have already opened Coupa token public sale phase 1. Individual cap 0.5 ETH equal to 5 million KuCoin. And we can connect Coupa token from MetaMask wallet. And 1 Ku equal to 0.000 ETH and 1 ETH equal to 10 million Ku. We can follow these steps for participating in token sale. First is connect wallet from MetaMask wallet and click start now. Complete the form and follow the process of deposit. And 60% soft cap and 90% hard cap. Coupa token phase first baby boomers. Phase first is for those looking for a once in a generation type token sale price. Token sale is 250 million Ku token and start date 19th July 2021 12 pm UTC. Ku sale price 0.002 USD. Maximum purchase per user 500 million Ku. Sale duration 7 days or until all token have been sold. And purchase currency ETH. Token type ERC20. Token distribution after the end of phase 3 token sale. And phase 2 GenX. In the phase 2, here is the MTV generation. Never last to a party but usually fashionably late. Don't let the boomer get one over the you again this year. And token allocation is 750 million Ku token. And phase 2 start on 26 July 2021 12 pm UTC. And maximum purchase per user 5 million Ku token. Sale duration 7 days or until token have been sold. And purchase currency any ERC20 token plus FIAT. And vesting period none. Token type ERC20. And token distribution after the end of phase 3 token sale. And phase 3 millennials. In phase 3 housing crisis, crippling student debt, Uber and Netflix taking all your money. It's a risk. It's a sick joke. I know, right? But forget all that. Millennials, this is what you have been waiting for. Think AMC and Doge had a baby and that baby is on steroids. That Koopa don't miss out. You know you will. FOMO hard otherwise. And token allocation is 750 million Ku token. And start sale on August 2, 2021 12 pm UTC. Ku sale price 0.003 USD. Maximum purchase per user 500 million Ku. Sale duration 7 days or until token have been sold. Purchase currency any ERC20 token plus FIAT. Token type ERC20. Token distribution after end of the phase. And finally phase 4 GenX. In the phase 4 you don't need money. You know you made your first billion at a age of 20, providing liquidity to a Cebu Baby Doge pool, returning 9,887% APR on some underground secret. For Chain DEX nobody has even heard of. You are the DeFi generation. GenX, you know what to do. And token allocation 250 million Ku token. Phase 4 date 9th August 2021 12 pm UTC. And DEX SushiSwap. And Ku LP price is 0.005 USD. And fees earned 0.25%. Cryptocurrency is very risky. Invest in cryptocurrency at on risk. Thanks for watching.